I'm Mark Nichols, I'm the Managing Director of BKW Instruments Limited. BKW's mission is to always say yes to its valued customers through our three pillars of partnerships, manufacturing and service. At BKW, our people make the difference. This mix of IT and engineering talent aligned with our strategy and commitment and innovation are our key strengths in the marketplace.
My name's Adam Baker. I'm the Operations and IT Manager here at BKW Instruments. My job role here is to change the dynamics of the business to run in an efficient way using technology to aid development. K3 is our IT specialists. They help deliver a high-end IT product that is reliable, which means we can commit said lead times to our customers. The main area that Syspro has added value to our business is the ability to automate standard practices and configure it to our processes. We use a variety of different approaches: DriveWorks for automation that requires some human interaction, and Data Switch for fully automated processes. Both of these provide us with verified data in the ERP system throughout, calling the business object for data validation. From a bespoke part requested on the web, we can have it quoted, assembled and shipped within 72 hours. We have always been with K3, and they have always helped us to achieve what we require from our ERP system. As it has developed, K3 has kept us at the forefront of technology. We are really proud of what we've achieved here at BKW Instruments. Utilising third-party software provided by K3, we've been able to automate the full process from start to finish. The key part to all this solution is K3 Syspro, which is the glue that holds us all together. One of the day-to-day benefits of working with K3 Syspro is having a top consultant in the field that you require that can be brought in to tackle a one-off project. This gives us the flexibility to try out new systems and projects if and when we need them.
BKW and K3 have had a fantastic partnership on this project, which has been executed with perfection, and I would thoroughly recommend K3 to work with your business.